Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to TNUS channel, and in this video I will show you how you can fix Samsung Galaxy M51 network or data not working problem. So before starting this video, if you are new in this channel, just don't forget to subscribe and let's start a video without wasting any time. So if you are facing network not working or data not working issue, first of all you just need to go to settings and then follow every step as I am showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your issue.